All right, you got the key in? Put your key in. Now, do a countdown, sir.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look how high that thing went, man. Look at it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come down with a parachute, buddy. Yeah, man, that is so cool. Well, how'd it do? Really? That thing went up through the clouds, man. You didn't believe those things go up that high, did you? Huh? You believe, don't you? That's pretty cool, man. Did it do good? Let's take a look at that thing, man. Wow, buddy. That was a high flyer, man. That did excellent, didn't it? Good job. All right, we're going to put that one up.